Hi, it's Emily from WTA. This summer, my husband and I are building an overlanding trailer, and we have been looking for great storage ideas, and we came across this box from Chanjarhill. It has been awesome. This box is so multifunctional. It serves as a storage box. It has a nice pine tabletop, so it serves as a great little camping table, and it's collapsible. So when you're not needing it, it folds down flat in seconds. It even has a door on the side so that when it's set up as a table, maybe you're using the tabletop, you can access what's inside with the door. The beautiful pine top and the olive sides give it a very nice visual appeal as well. So that combines both form and function to make a really practical piece of storage for you. You could use this like we have in our overlanding trailer or for camping, but it would also make a really nice storage box in your garage or shop area. The fact that it folds flat is great because it means when you're not needing it, it doesn't take up a lot of space. This collapsible storage box has served us really well, and we're excited to take it on even more adventures. We love it, and I think you will too. But that's just my point of view.